Hi guys, in this video we'll take a photo for our project. So we'll select the camera. Okay, now we will click on this one. We'll go to the sun. We'll select this effect. Okay, that's fine. Now this is the height of the sun. So once we decrease it, it will be we will change the time. So if we decrease and increase the sun height, actually we are changing the time of the day from night to day. I mean uh, we can make the photo at the night. We can make it at the midday or in the morning by this one. Okay, by increasing and decreasing this one. But I suggested what I want to see the sun in this area, so we will this one here, and let's move this one until we see we see the sun. The sun is okay. This is the sun right now. Okay, let's play with direction of the sun. This will take some time. You gotta be patient. Okay. Okay. Now we'll move this. Okay, I think we gotta move the sky here. It should be clear, I guess. The more time you spend on the Lumion, the photo will be more beautiful. Okay, let's see what's going on here. The weather, foggy. Okay, let's choose this one. Oh, no, 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 no. So if we select any effects by mistake, we can remove it or delete it immediately. There will be a photo next to the effect. Click on it and it will be removed. Okay. Okay, now it's clear. The sun now. Okay, now this is the sun. Okay, we can now control the height of the sun. Okay, I'm trying to make it like in the early morning. Okay, okay, and now we will play with the direction of the sun. So if we move it, okay, that's fine. Now this is if we increase and decrease it, we'll increase the sun brightness. We'll try to make it acceptable, I mean. So, if we make it, okay, so let's make it like this. Okay, no, no. Okay, so now we'll increase and decrease the focal length. We Okay, I think now it's sun. Decrease it a little bit. Okay, and let's okay, I wanna put the sun here on the right side. And I think now it's fine. Okay, so let's okay. And then click render this one. Okay. You can save this photo on your desktop, or you can send it to your email. I will save this photo on my desktop, and then I'm gonna call it Lumion 19. Now the Lumion will render our photo. It's really a beautiful photo. Okay. Okay, now we'll open the folder. This is the this is our this is our photo. I'm really glad to provide this course to you guys, and I wish to see you in one of the modeling station course. Thank you.